most of the things that we do are all recorded live. I've got a live recording for you, and I'm going to show you how to put this in your system and for you to set it up as well. So this is Nonfarm Payrolls. It's a spike trade that we do every single month. I've got the live video and the setup just to follow, so keep looking. If you like live trading, you like these videos, please support my channel, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, really helps me be motivated to do more videos like this for you. So this happens once a month. It's called Nonfarm Payrolls, and we have a strategy that trades the market. Friday the 4th, we traded the market, got the setup, waited patiently in 3 seconds, nice trade, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's go over to the recording with a voiceover. I'll show you the setup and you can watch it happen live. See you on the other side. Right, so for Nonfarm Payrolls, we use the Euro USD pair, and what we're looking for initially is we look at the 1 hour trend, and we've got a 20 EMA. What we're looking for is the market trading above or below the 20 EMA, and in this case we are trading above the 20 EMA. So all we're doing is looking for a price inefficiency and a spike, and we want to trade with the prevailing trend. So you can see the dotted line. We are right on the price action, and at 1:30 we are going to put a trade on with an ATR movement, and the ATR we're looking for here is 19 pips spike down. If it goes again lower, there you are, you can see it's setting 19 ready, and we're waiting for the trade now. Right, this is the trade in real time, took 10 seconds. You can see the market spiking down. We've been filled. We're looking for a potential further extension. That didn't happen. You can see straight up, boom, there we go, all over and done with within 10 seconds, a nice 1% bank. Well, there you go, 10 seconds, 1%, really great. If you enjoyed that, then we do some live streaming every Tuesday also. Every Tuesday morning, come on, and you can watch me trade live with my group. It's all free, no obligations, no hooks, no sells. If you want to learn how to trade and trade with me every Tuesday morning, please go to the live sections on the channel, like and subscribe, and you can come and trade with me. I hope you enjoyed that. Please support the channel, it really helps, and I really do appreciate that. Hopefully, see you every Tuesday. Cheers guys, bye bye.